Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Yahoo Mail is a very popular email service used by millions of people across the United States. One of the most common questions people ask is whether they have to pay for a Yahoo Mail account. The simple answer is no. You do not have to pay anything to use a standard Yahoo Mail account. It is completely free to sign up and start sending messages today. When you create a free account, you receive 1 terabyte of storage space. This is a massive amount of storage for your emails and large attachments. You can access your inbox on a desktop computer or through the mobile app on your phone. However, the free version does include advertisements. You will notice ads inside your inbox and on the sidebar while you are reading your mail. If you want to remove these ads, Yahoo offers a paid subscription called Yahoo Mail Plus. This service requires a small monthly fee from the user. With Yahoo Mail Plus, you get an entirely ad-free experience and several advanced security features. These features include the ability to block specific domains and create disposable email addresses for extra privacy. You also get priority customer support if you ever run into technical issues with your account. For the vast majority of people, the free version is perfectly fine for daily use. You get all the essential tools without spending any money. If you are a business owner, you might choose to pay for a professional email address with a custom domain name. Otherwise, you can enjoy Yahoo Mail for free as long as you like.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.